Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to activate your international market in Shopify. It's super easy and lets you sell worldwide in just a few clicks. First, go to shopify.com and log into your admin panel. On the left sidebar, click on Markets. Here, you'll see your default market. That's your home region. But if you want to sell globally, click on Create Market. You'll see an option for Shopify to automatically generate an international market for you. This adds countries and regions automatically, which you can edit later if you want to include or exclude certain areas. Next, review your international market settings, currency, catalog, domain, language, and tax options. Set these based on your target customers. When you're done, make sure to toggle the status to active, then click Save. Your international market will now appear under Active Markets. Finally, go to Taxes and Duties to fine-tune your tax display. You can decide whether taxes are included in prices or shown as separate line items. Shopify will handle region-specific tax rates automatically. Once you've saved your changes, your store is officially ready for international customers. And that's it. That's how you activate international markets on Shopify. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my next Shopify tutorial.